Hello viewers, this is Anthony. Welcome back to my YouTube tutorial channel. Today I am going to show you how to increase your subscriber or like on YouTube. You can also increase your likes or comments on TikTok or Instagram too. There is one simple condition, that means you have to do the same thing for other people and other people will do the same for you. So without any delay, let's see how to increase your likes or subscriber on YouTube. Let's see the video. Okay, then let's open a browser. This is my browser. Now go to YouTube. Now sign in your YouTube channel. I am signing in my YouTube channel. Now you see this is my YouTube channel. Now you have to go to your channel. Go to settings. Click on advanced settings. Okay, keep it over here. Now take a new tab. Search on Google for My Tools Town. My Tools Town will come. You have to pick the first one. This is Tool Town's app. So you can see Instagram like and followers exchange. You can do it over here. Over here you can see YouTube likes, subscriber exchange, and last one TikTok likes, fans and views exchange. So I am going for YouTube likes and subscribers. Okay. On YouTube you have to click on channel ID. Okay, copy. Now paste your channel ID over here and search for channel. You can see your channel logo over here. So this is your YouTube like or subscribing panel. This using this panel you can increase your using this panel you can increase your likes or subscribers. At first you have to earn credit. So you can see daily bonus 25 credit. Right now we don't have any credit. See over here you can see you have 0 credit. So if I want to increase my credit, I have to work over here. What I have to do, I have to go at the top and earn credit. Click on earn credit, then click this on automatically verify promotion when pop-up windows close. Okay, now click on subscriber. If you click on subscriber you will get 2 points if you can successfully subscribe any channel. So this is the channel came out. You have to click on subscribe. After subscribing you have to wait for 10 seconds, or liking any video you have to wait for 10 seconds, then close the window. Okay, see you got 2 credit. Now I am doing another one, like. Click the link, play the video. Wait for 10 seconds, click on like and close the video. See you got another one credit. Okay, so you have right now 3 credit. Like this you have to do at least 20 work to complete your daily work or claim your daily bonus. So I am not completing all the work, just I am going to let you know how to increase your likes or subscribers. As I have only 3 credit, I can buy only one subscriber and 3 likes. Okay, if I want to buy any subscriber, I can buy only one subscriber right now, because I have only 3 credit. For each subscriber I have to pay 2 credit, and if I want to buy any like, then I have to pay only 1 credit. Okay, now as I have only 3 credit, I am going to show you how to increase your subscriber. So go to your boost profile at the top, click on the select promotion type. What type of promotion you want to do? If you want to subscribe any channels, you have to click on subscribers. Okay, YouTube channel subscribers. Now you have only 3 credit, so that's why I can only buy only one subscriber. Okay, now add promotion. Now let's see view promotions. View promotion. In the view promotion, you can see required on spend 2 credit in progress. Okay, so still this promotion has not been completed yet. I have to wait a few minutes or few hours. Within this time, like the same as I have done for someone else, and someone else will do it for myself. That means I will get on subscriber when someone will come to get his or her subscriber over this link. Okay, so this is the way you can use to increase your subscriber or likes on Facebook. If you like my video, don't forget to like. If you have any question, please write on my comment. I'll try my best to answer. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get the new videos as soon as it is on the YouTube. If you want, you can share with your friends too. Thanks for watching. See you soon with a new video. Bye bye. Tada.